Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will share with the website where you can generate unlimited images free of cost. So in this video you will get to see how to generate unlimited premium images absolutely free. So follow the step by step tutorial. So to get this website you have to go to one of your browser and here you have to search cdream.pro. Then you will enter into this website. So this is the interface of this website where you will generate unlimited images totally free of cost. So this is the box where you have to write prompt. So I am writing a prompt just for an example. So a girl is walking into the forest, into the dark forest, and carrying a glowing lights. If I want to generate it portrait, I have to select it. If I want to generate it landscape, then I have to select it. So as an example, I have select landscape. So then I have to select generate. So you can see this website created the images as I have on that a girl is walking into the dark forest. So I have forget to mention in the dark. So I have put the dark text in the prompt and let's see what it is shows now. So you can see this a girl is walking into the dark forest and carrying a glowing light. So if I remove dark, then click on this and generate. So if I download this, click on this and open the image. So you can see this how much beautiful the picture is. So you can generate unlimited images how much you want. So if I paste this prompt, so I have copied this prompt from ChatGPT and want to see what the prompt is showing. So I have to click verify your human and then I have to click generate. So as you can see this have already generated the image, and if I download this and look how much it is very realistic. So this is very amazing website to generate unlimited images. So there is no limit to use this site. So enjoy the full premium images from this site and subscribe our channel for our next videos. So thank you so much for your time.